Hello friends, today I'm going to unboxing and review the Vivo TX1, I mean T1X, okay? So you can see here the box which it's in white color and it's amazing when we look it. So look at the behind also, but before we continue this video, friends, please like the video and subscribe the channel, okay? So I will show you now from the back side also. So here is the back side of Vivo. So you can check here everything what the guidelines it has given, okay? So here it's the some guidelines you will be able to see or not, I don't know. So friends, here is the Snapdragon 680 processor, 6 maybe what it has written nm, and 50 MP main camera, so 1080p ultra clear display, 5000 mAh battery, 8 watts fast charge, okay? So from here you can pause the video and check what it is, okay, if you want to check. So let's open the box. So here I'm going to unbox the Vivo T1X, okay? So here let's see how the phone is. So again, here is the some box, again small box, small package, okay? So let's check this one. Let's check inside. Wow, it has given the cover also. It's amazing, right? So this is the cover you can see here, but let's check some guidelines about this mobile phone Vivo. See, you can check from here some guidelines, okay? So let's see the cover. I'm so excited. Yeah, it's so smoothie. It's so soft, like so. It's. I feel like it's so fragile. I don't know. It's so nice to touch also. So now let's check some inside the box, okay, friends? So here is just some plastic. I'll pull it up. Here is the mobile phone, but let's keep on the side, okay? Afterwards we'll check it, but let's check the inside the box what it is, okay? So here is the some paper, and here's something it has given some, and here is the cable wire. See, wow, the color, I love it. It's like gray color, no? I love it. Wow, it's a different color of the cable wire. And here is the pin. See, it has given here pin for the SIM card, okay? You have to put this one nicely so that you will be able to open the SIM card, okay? You have to put it nicely. And this one is the cable. Oh, so sorry, it has been fall down. So here is the cable wire, okay? So now let's check the charger. Here is the charger of the Vivo. See, it has written Vivo also here. Wow, it's lovely. I love the design of the cover of the inside, especially. Everything is white, but this one is the in gray color, so it's very different, right? I think with this match with this box only. So now let's check the mobile phone. Here I ordered the blue, okay, blue color. You will be able to see on back side of the box when you pause the video. So here is the blue in color, and it's look amazing. But here it has given the IMEI number also. You can check from the back side of the box also, and from here also, okay? And here are some lists also. You can check the IMEI number. When you lost, then you can check from here, from the mobile phone or from the back side of the box, okay? So let's open it. So here is the Vivo T1X. See, wow, I love it. It's so nice. It's very, I don't know how to say, it's slippery, look like water swimming pool, right? I love it. So this is the camera. Check the camera, multi camera, and a spherical some in the torch also here. I love it. Here it in Vivo. So see, friends, and from this side, this one is the power button and this one is the volume button, okay? So on the upside for this SIM card, you can insert this SIM card from here, okay? So if you want to check, then I can show you, but let's check the here also. This one is the for the headphones, and this one is the mic, and this one is the for the charging, and here for its speaker, I think so. Yeah, it's speaker, okay, because this one is the mic, no, this one is the speaker. So from the side nothing here. Okay, so see, it used to shine also here because of this color, blue color swimming pool. So let's check this SIM card how it is. Okay, so I'm going to open this for the SIM card. So how it is, let's check it. It has given on the upside. Okay, so different, right? The design is very different from the other phones, so lovely. So here is the to insert the SIM card. See, this is for the SIM 1, SIM 2 and for the memory. Okay, you can insert the memory also. This one is the same as well as for the from the other mobile phones also. Okay, so let's put it again. So friends, now let's check inside the mobile phone or in front. If you want to check from the in front, you can check. It's so cool, right? So this is the, it has given the glass also. No need to put the safety glass, it has given from before. And the cover also. Okay, see, here is the cover. The cover also, it's matching, it's same color with the backside blue, so it will be attracted. See, but I'm not putting right now. So let's open the mobile phone, switching on. Okay, where is the switching on? Here. So here it has been. What you need to do here is the click on get started, but you can select the language also if you want to select. Okay, so I'm clicking on United States only, then click on start. Here you can select country, me India. Okay, so next, then scroll down, you have to agree the terms and services here on the square here, then click on next, then scroll like this. Here again you have to agree the terms and services here. Okay, I think it used to give timer or what. Okay, let's click on it, then click on next. Then again here also you have to agree the terms and services. Take next, then again take next. Okay, so here if you want set up online, so what you have to do is click on set up offline. Okay, then continue. Okay, set up offline and continue. Here date and time, so what you need to do is date, then click on next. Okay, here you can off the location, allow scanning off and the diagnostic data off, then click on next. Okay, so here accept. Then if you want to set the screen lock, fingerprint, face, you can set it, but me, I'm going to skip here, skip. Okay, then here I'm going to off the permission, here also off everything me. Okay, here cannot off, I think so. I think it cannot off. Disable smart upgrade, cancel it. I will not off this one, I think so. Then click on next. So Fun Touch OS, congratulations, your phone is ready, use now. So here we have set up the Vivo. It's loading. So inside the mobile phone it's like this. So you can see here it's look very smart, right? Very smart, it's modern tip. So let's move on to check the sound. At first you have to check the sound, right? So let's check the sound. Move on setting, then after that let's move on to sound. Here is the sound, click on sound. Then from here you are going to find the how to check the sound of the Vivo. So if you want to check the sound, you can check from here also. Oh, it has been set off. So in place of this, no, let's move on some phone ringtone. Okay, and here's something here from here. Okay, so the sound is very good. If you want to hear again, then you can. Okay, here is the sound. It's very amazing. I love it everything, but we don't know about the camera, so let's check the camera also. Okay, so let's move on camera. Then here we will try to click some photos. Here you have to agree. Just click on this square. I have read the privacy. Then click on agree. Then here try to, wow, it looks so clean. OMG. Just look at it. It's very nice. So I capture it. And again with this sunflower also I should capture. So here too I capture it, and with this some box also. Let's capture it. So here I have captured this some pics. Okay, you can check from here. I have agreed, so agree. Then here is the, wow, OMG, it's very nice. I love the camera of Vivo. See, okay. So here to the plan. See here in the original it is so dark and it's look like so night because it's night only. But on this camera it looks so nice. It's perfect. It's look like day. Okay, but here it look like night time only. But the pic is very clear. You can see here. You can check it. See, I can see everything. Wait more, I'll just show you again. See, I can see everything here what it has been written. Okay, so it's moved now. So what about the quality? So let's check the quality also. Okay, so let me connect the network. So wait for a moment. I'm going to pause the video to connect the network. So friends, I have finished to connect the network. So right now what you need to do is that move on YouTube. Okay, after you have been moved on YouTube, let's check the quality. Okay, so I'm going to search some videos. Okay, so that you will be able to see some videos clearly, and the volume should be down. Okay, skip the ads. So here is the video. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, the screen full. Oh, I have made the videos, and it's already an out. So play now. Okay, see here is the sunflower. Wow, it's very clean and clear. Okay, with the price I love it. Wow, it's very nice. Inside the mobile phone it's, you can see it's very clearly. See the flowers, the sunlight, the leaves, everything. It's very perfect. So it can, let's check the quality right now. Okay, move on 3 dot, then quality. So this is the full quality. Wow, you can make it large also if you want to watch in a large. Wow, see, OMG, it's very nice. Wow, wow, it's amazing. You can make it small also. If you want to make, you can make it big also. Okay, so the quality also it's perfect. Everything is perfect. I love this mobile phone from the box till the end. Okay, I really love it. Maybe it's very nice. It's pretty to see it like this mobile phone. It's better. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you want more unboxing videos about the different models, you can subscribe me. And please, if you want to give me comment, you can. Okay, so friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.